Let's talk about Indian legislations applicable to construction industry. Welcome to our video on Indian legislations applicable to the construction industry. India, being a booming construction hub, has implemented numerous legal acts and rules to ensure the smooth functioning, safety and compliances of construction projects. These legislations cover various aspects such as labor, environment, safety standards, contract regulations and more. In this video, I'll provide you with a comprehensive overview of the key legal acts and rules applicable to the construction industry in India. Legislation governing health, safety and environment standards in the construction industry is crucial to ensure the well-being of workers, protect the environment and uphold public safety. By adhering to these legislation, the construction industry aims to create a secure and sustainable framework that prioritizes the welfare of both individual and the ecosystem. Let's dive into the topic. Let's talk about what's the first legal act applicable to the construction is BOCW, Building and Other Construction Workers Regulation of Employment and Condition of Service Act 1996. Under BOCW Act, Central has made their own rules which is called Building and Other Construction Workers Regulation of Employment and Condition of Service Central Rules 1998. BOCW Central Rules has amended in year of 2017. Under BOCW Act 1996, every state has rights to form their own state rules under BOCW Act. We are talking about Haryana BOCW Rules 2005. Accordingly, Gujarat has BOCW Rules 2003. Maharashtra has BOCW Rules 2007. Uttar Pradesh has BOCW Rules 2009. Delhi has BOCW Rules 2002. Karnataka has BOCW Rules 2006. So under BOCW Act 1996, every state has their own BOCW rules, a part of Central BOCW Rules 1998. Let's talk about the other legal act applicable to the construction. The second act is Petroleum Act 1934. Under Petroleum Act, Petroleum Rules 2002 is applicable and which has been amended in year of 2018. Under Explosive Act 1884, which has been amended in 1983. Under Third Act, Explosive Rules 2008 comes, which has been amended in 2011. Under Explosive Act, the next rule is Gas Cylinder Rule 2016, which has been amended in year of 2018. Let's talk about the fourth legal act applicable to the construction, which is Environment Protection Act 1986 or 1991, which has been amended. Under this Environment Protection Act, the rules are applicable, and the first rule applicable is the Environment Protection Rules 1986. This rule has been amended in year of 2018. The second rule comes under Environment Protection Act is Solid Waste Management Rules 2016. The third rule is Construction and Demolition Rules 2016. The fourth is Biomedical Waste Rules 2016. The fifth is Plastic Waste Rules 2016. The sixth rule is Hazardous Waste Management Rules 2016. The seventh is the Batteries Management and Handling Rules 2001, amended in year of 2010. The eighth rule is Noise Pollution Regulation and Control Rule 2000. The ninth rule is the Environment Impact Assessment Notification 2006, which has been amended in 2016. Let's talk about the next legal act applicable to the construction, which is Fifth Act and called as Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1974, amended in year of 1988. Under Water Prevention and Control Act, the first rule applicable is the Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Rules 1975. This rule has been amended in year of 2011. The next legal act applicable to the construction is which is the number 6th rule is, the 6th act is Air Prevention and Control Pollution Act 1981, amended in year of 1987. Under this Air Pollution Act, the first rule applicable is the Air Prevention Control of Pollution Rules 1982. Let's talk about the next legal act, which is 7th legal act applicable to the construction, is the Public Liability Insurance Act 1991, which has been amended in year of 1992. Under this Public Liability Insurance Act, the first rule applicable is Public Liability Insurance Rules 1991. The rule has been amended in year of 1993. The next 8th legal act applicable to the construction is Motor Vehicle Act 1988, amended in year of 2018. Under Motor Vehicle Act 1988, the first rule is Central Motor Vehicle Rules 1989, which has been amended in year of 2018. And every state has their own rules for under the Motor Vehicle Act, which is called Motor Vehicle Rules for the particular state. The next rule under the Motor Vehicle Act is State Motor Vehicle Rules. The 9th legal act applicable to the construction is Contract Labour Act 1974 and 1971 Central Rules. So under Contract Labour Act, the Central has made the Central Contract Labour Rules, which is called Central Labour Rules 1971. The same Contract Labour Rules Central 1971 comes under Contract Labour Act 1974. Let's talk about the next legal act applicable to the construction is Child Labour Act 1986. And the 11th act applicable to the construction is the Electricity Act 2003. Under this act, the first rule is the Central Electricity Authority CEDA measures relating to Safety and Electrical Supply Regulations 2010, which has been amended in year of 2018. The second central rules applicable to the Electrical City Act 2003 is the Central Electricity Authority Safety Requirements for Construction Operation and Maintenance of Electrical Plants and Electrical Lines Regulations 2011. The next legal act, which is 12th legal act applicable to the construction, is Workmen Compensation Act 1923. Under this Workmen Compensation Act 1923, the legal rules is Workmen Compensation Rules. Thanks for watching this video. If you really like the video, please hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.